Okay, folks, how's it going today? Today I'm going to show you a really quick fix I did for my iPhone 6 Plus. Something that happens is called the touch disease. I guess it's been going on for a while. I've had my phone for almost 3 years. It's out of warranty. And I just started experiencing it recently, but I guess a lot of people had this problem before. And there's a lot of different fixes that I saw online. Basically, it's that the flickering of the top of your screen here, it's gray on your phone, and then the touch screen is unresponsive. Again, like I said, I watched a bunch of videos online, and they were taking the whole phone apart and doing all this crazy stuff, or you got to pay Apple 150 bucks, I think it is. So I just want to show you what I did, and I just want to give you this quick disclaimer that, if you do this to your phone and it breaks, and it's not my fault. I'm just showing you what I did, what worked for me. It may not work for you. If your phone's in warranty, take it to the Apple store. Don't mess around with it, because as soon as you open your phone, you break the warranty or void the warranty. I'm not responsible for your phone. I'm just letting you know that. And this is something really quick and simple that I did, and it worked on my phone. So hopefully, you can solve your problem as well. So check it out. Here's the video. All right, folks. So today I have the iPhone 6 Plus here, and I'm getting that gray screen thing here. The touch screen is becoming unresponsive. It's working right now because I did a simple fix. I watched a bunch of stuff online, and there was some what they said were simple fixes where they're taking the whole phone apart and all this stuff, and I didn't want to do all that. My phone is out of warranty from Apple, so I'm going to have to do it myself here. Now, if your phone is in warranty, I would just take it to Apple. This is the iPhone 6 Plus. There's also the iPhone 6 that has the same problem, and I've actually had this phone a couple of years, so I'm new to the game here, or late to the game as far as this problem. But what happens is the chip is right in here behind this screen. Let's get a look at that. This part of the screen on the iPhone 6 Plus is the touchscreen sensor. And I guess, these phones bend. Mine's been bent for years, but it just never happened. I guess dropped too many times or whatever. But this thing becomes loose, and there it goes. Oh yeah, there we go. And then the touchscreen becomes unresponsive. But again, I did a simple fix. I actually even went bike riding and had this on one of those stands where it was shaking like crazy, and it was still working. But today it's giving me a little problem again, and it's not as bad as it was before. And so you have a tool like so, and there's the screws. I already took the screws out. They're right there. Oh, sorry, right there. I already took the screws out. Then you got to kind of take one of these and wedge the phone apart. Okay. The screen on the iPhone 6 Plus just pretty much just pops right off. And look at that, there's a guitar pick in there. So the other videos I saw, they had the screwdrivers and they took all this stuff out, the whole motherboard and all this stuff, and all these really tiny screws, and that looks just way too complicated for me. And then they put like some tape or something on this to apply pressure. I was like, you know what? I got guitar picks laying around. This is a 0.96 millimeter guitar pick. It's a little thick. If you're not a guitarist, guitar picks come in different. This one's like a thin one here. But I put there's medium and then there's thick. This is a thicker one. So I just put that in there to apply pressure. So when this back of the screen is pressing down on here, it keeps the sensor pretty accurately on. Just snap the phone back together. I left the screws out just in case I had to take it apart quickly. And it's working. Like you said, you saw the flickering screen before. Basically, I'm just applying pressure to right here to keep it steady. It may not work on your phone. You don't have to use a guitar pick. Something you got to put in there. Again, if you still have the warranty for your phone, take it to the Apple store. They'll probably fix it for free. If not, I think there's a $100, $50, $150 fix that they do, which eventually I may do if this doesn't work too long. But I did this for a couple of days. It was working fine. Like I said, I went bike riding, and it was on my bike and one of those locked up things. It was shaking all over the place for like an hour or so, and so it was still working fine. So that's all I did. I saw a ton of other videos online where people did all this other crazy stuff, and that stuff just seemed way too complicated, and this was pretty much a simple fix. So there you go. Solution: go grab a guitar pick at a guitar store, or put something thick in there. Not too thick, but like I said, this is a guitar pick. It's relatively thin, but I probably could have put the thin one in there too. I don't know. Something just to apply pressure. I just wanted to be enough pressure so the guitar pick didn't move around. So that's it. Pretty cool. Any comments? Leave them down below. Have any other solutions? Something you tried? Let me know. All right. Talk to you soon.